Hi, I'm Tom, and I'm blessed to be a caretaker of your outdoor ministry here at Caroline Furnace. So today we're asking for your support. We're asking for your support to cover those financial losses that have occurred from lack of summer camp and lack of large group retreats.
Here at Caroline Furnace, we've had thousands of campers singing by a campfire, running through the fields, swimming in the lake, and building community together. Retreat guests have found their faith, a renewed sense of community, or a new love for the outdoors. 2020 has been a tough year for all of us, and especially for your outdoor ministry. We've had estimated loss of $200,000 in summer camp alone. We've lost 75% of our normal retreat guests. This is a huge loss in revenue. We've reduced all of our variable expenses, and our year-round staff is having to go on half pay or half time into the foreseeable future.
We need your support. This $200,000 campaign will ensure continued faith, education, and renewal for all generations. We've been blessed with God's wonderful creation here. This campaign starts now.
We'll get through this together, so please join us in this campaign